somewhat haggard. What the hell is this?
Hey guys, I'm not sure what video this is going to end up in, but I want to pop in here real quick, show you a new product from Novsight that they sent out for us to try and use. Okay. If you're a longtime viewer, you know that for whatever reason, we cannot keep a good battery. Steph's been through a bunch. Right behind her, she's behind the camera. There's a bunch of them sitting on a bench. So we use the shit out of battery chargers. And the best part is we are the ones that always have battery issues, yet we are the only ones that don't have a product like this. But it stops today. So this is from Novsight. You've seen us install lights. If you're looking for lights or a product like this, we can help you save a little coin. Code Haggard. Novsight.com. Link will be below. So let's take a look at this bad boy. What's cool about this, it's not just for the garage. We got battery chargers in the garage, right? But what about when we're out on a trail, camping, whatever, you wake up in the morning and maybe you left your radio on, Steph, maybe, maybe you left a light on, whatever. Maybe you just drive around with a crappy battery like we do. This is something you can just keep with you. You got this nice little carrying case.
It is very nice.
No, not for that.
Wow.
We got some cords, instructions, and voila. Look at this bad boy. So, haven't used it yet. Looks like we got we got 65% charge. But all this is a 5,000 amp jump pack. This will make short work of a side-by-side battery. Your tow vehicle. You stop at Boosie's. You get you some gear. You come back out. Your shit's dead.
You're Jesse.
Yeah.
Take your camper on.
Or you're just Jesse.
While you're sitting there for a half hour waiting for us. Whoops.
This could save the day. This does have limitations, of course. I think it says up to a 10-liter diesel and a 12-liter gas truck. So, I mean, it can do some work. This little guy here, you can have this thing charged in 1 hour. So even if it's dead, 1 hour, 100% battery, and you're ready to start jumping some shit. Obviously, jump pack, jumper cables. I believe this is to charge the device itself. This not only can jump your battery, if you're out camping and you're, maybe in a tent or something, you can charge your phone on this or any device through a USB-C. They got all the little ports. Well, you can see the labels here.
Maybe.
Focus.
Oh, yep, there we go. Okay.
So, yeah, you got USB 2, USB 1, USB-C, and DC output. So, you can charge multiple devices with this, which is awesome.
Like a flash.
Oh,
there it is.
There we go. So, there's this button right here, a hit, and you got yourself a little flashlight or work light. If maybe it's not your battery that's dead, but you need light because your spark plug fell out or something. Nice. You got a little flashlight always with you. So there's modes for the lights. You can strobe. You can flag down a nice trucker. I need help. What? Yeah, and then to jump a battery, it's just your leads. And you plug it in right here. Connect it. And then you can turn it on. And it gives you how charged this little unit is. Jump your whatever you're jumping, and unplug it, put it back in the case, put it back in storage, and you're ready for the next breakdown. A lot of the people in our group already have these, and like I said, we are the ones that always need them. So big thanks to Novsight for setting us up. because I can promise you we will use this
Oh, 100%.
a lot. We do camp sometimes that it's a non-hookup camping, and given what we do with YouTube, constantly need to charge batteries, whether it's GoPro, camcorder, phone, whatever. We can actually do it with this now, so this will come in handy. If you guys see me at a park and we're filming, sometimes you will see me filming with my phone and you'll see a cord running to my pocket. That's because it's hooked up to a battery bank. Like, we're constantly draining batteries on everything is what I'm getting at. So it's nice, it's small, easy to carry around with you. And we're going to get some usage out of this bad boy. So you guys recently saw the drag races after the Bikeman parts.
Best video we've had in a while.
And Steph put an ass whooping on everybody. Now that we're some time later,
Still feels good.
I'm sure it does. So I just want to clarify some things going on with that. One, it probably wasn't the best decision on my part to just start drag racing before I actually tested it, because it was literally just do it, no testing, and just start racing. I'm not saying that's going to change results, but it could have maybe avoided the belt explosion, maybe. I don't even know. We still don't know exactly what happened, but since then, I have talked to Bikeman, and we took some weight out, and it feels decent on the trails, but we haven't drag raced since. And honestly, I've been on a Mexican street, and it still doesn't feel much faster. After I reviewed the footage while editing, I did notice that it wasn't because I wasn't getting off the line, like reaction time. There were multiple races where I was actually the first one off the line, and then Steph just flies past me. I wanted to check that out.
That bird's laughing too, brother.
I know. I got the whole animal kingdom just laughing at me right now. But I wanted to check that out because I'm notorious with sleeping at the line. And yeah, there were multiple times. I think most of them I got the jump and you see the machine take off, but she quickly just right past me. And that's how it felt driving, and still feels driving, when you just hold it to the floor. It just kind of falls on its face. I think it's the clutching. It sounds loud and aggressive, and it just kind of doesn't go anywhere. So I think it's slipping up top is what I'm thinking. There's also been instances, even on the trails in low, Steph would be behind me, and she keeps smelling burning belt. So I feel like there's a slippage issue. That clutch kit there's so many adjustments that you can do on that. It is definitely beyond my skill level, and probably quite a bit beyond my patience level. The hell? This clutch kit is so adjustable. I mean, it's ridiculous. And it's beyond my skill level and beyond my patience level a bit. If all we did was racing, I would want to spend the time and fine tune it, and maybe it works out great for that. But for what we do, we primarily run technical trails. Here and there, we do some drag racing just to have fun. And a big thing for us, and what is so awesome about Steph's Pro XP, and when it was mine, like we put that Crash City clutch kit in, and that was it. It just goes. It just does not stop pulling. You have belt grip instantly, and it's just a beautiful thing. Now, we work with Crash City, we work with Bikeman, and none of this is a knock on the Bikeman clutch kit. I don't think it's right for me and what I want to do with the machine. Some of it is the trails we ride. Some of it is just my patience level. In most people's case that do this type of stuff, they have their machine. They go out and they ride, they fix, they tinker, they go out, they ride. Reality for me is that is extremely hard to do because of YouTube. Like, I know there's no way for you guys to see how much time goes into making videos. So I don't have time to set it up, run it, set it up, run it, set it up. Because for us to actually test clutching, like, we have to at least drive 40 minutes. Like, there's nowhere where we live. We live in a terrible state, Illinois. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone. Kind of stuck when it comes to that. And then you add that I just don't have time to do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if it's the clutching, which I think it is. We are testing some new bushings and clutch weights for Crash City on Steph's machine. Since we're doing that, we took her old weights out, and I got them sitting here. And then I'm like, well, we're going to put them in my machine. Then Crash City sent out a helix and a spring. So now we're going to try the full Crash City clutch kit in this machine, and I bet it fixes the issues. And I was going to say we should probably race again then to see. And I think Steven and Amber agree, because when we opened the box, we had some stickers and we got a little note. I don't know if it'll focus.
I think so. You can probably see it.
In case you can't, I'll read it.
Yeah, you should probably repeat it.
So now maybe you can keep up with Steph, smiley face, Amber, and Steven. And then it says the stickers are for the winner. Now, they got some cool stickers. We got multiple colors here.
Oh my god, all of these would look fantastic on my fucking set. That's my colors.
But what I'm thinking
here,
here,
it's fade.
What I'm thinking here is we can split these up. But the special sticker,
okay.
The special sticker, the winner of the race gets this sticker. Does that sound fair to you?
Yeah, yeah.
That sound fair?
I mean, maybe we can look at it. Get it?
Yeah.
Into focus.
It's an awesome sticker. So we're going to race for this sticker.
Die pretty, Jeremy.
I don't know when, but we're gonna.
I sleep in a racing car. Do you?
That's what I'm gonna do next. Gonna put the rest, or put the whole Crash City clutch kit on the Turbo R, and I'm betting that will fix my issue. If you guys are on social media, you probably see me recommend this clutch kit all the time, and that's because I've been using it on the Pro XP for how long? I had it for a long time. Steph uses it, and it's just a set it and forget it thing. You don't burn up belts. It just grips the shit out of a belt, and you just go.
Their kit was great for the 1K, too.
Yeah. Everything it goes in, it's just been great. I mean, just about everyone in our group has a Crash City clutch kit. You guys can get yourself a Crash City clutch kit. You can use code Haggard, save yourself a little coin. These things just work. I mean, it's there's nothing to really show you. It just, the results are there. You look at anybody asking for a clutch kit on any forum or Facebook group, and you will see a bunch of people recommending this clutch kit. It just works great.
Chef's kiss.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mi scusi.
Big thanks to them. It's not even in yet, and I'm confident they just got my machine sorted out. So, if it doesn't, that means there's just something with the tune. That's the only other thing it could be.
Or it could just be so fast.
Or
it
or
could be driver mod. I don't know. Just saying.
Or Steph's machine is just that much quicker. Which, I mean, it could be. It is lighter. So, I don't know. Driving the Turbo R it just doesn't feel right.
Yeah.
So it's
Gonna try to make it right.
gonna make it right. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to jump on here, kind of explain that, because we kind of raced, shredded a belt, and then there was kind of nothing. It's because I didn't really know what to say. I was pretty disappointed, and I didn't have an answer for you guys. You know, some of the stuff just happens in real time, so at that point I didn't know. And yeah, we made the adjustments. It did fine at Wildcat. I didn't shred any belts. I inspected after, and it was fine. But I just think for my style, this is what I need. This is what I'm going to have. So I'm going to go do that, and your battery's about to die. So go charge yourself.
Okay.
All right, I got her all buttoned up. I decided not to really film it, simply because we've filmed this multiple times now. So there is a video installing the same exact kit on Steps Pro XP from a while back. I'll link it if you're looking for more of an in-depth install. Just, this was more of a, to let you guys know that I'm switching directions and why. I got one more thing that I wanted to kind of follow up on, and that is the tender springs from All Things UTV. The machine's sitting way up right now, and that is because I just had it jacked up working on the clutches. All winter as we're doing the videos, I kept saying, I still got to get the ride height. I still got to get the ride height. Still got to get the ride height. And I never really got it. Just in the rear. And what happened is somehow the wrong spring rate went out to some customers for the Turbo R. So with all the preload off, I was still at like 18 inches of ground clearance, which is way too much for 32s. So the machine just sat like this, no matter what you do. But they made it right. They recognized the problem. They sent out the correct springs. So now it's in there. It's not sitting at ride height right now because, like I said, I jacked it up. But we're good to go. Right out of the package, I set it up the way they said, and the ride height's perfect. So that is finally resolved as of recently. So glad, because honestly the machine rode like shit the way it was at Wildcat. That was part of the reason I wasn't really into doing anything as far as climbs. Like the one that Jesse did was just, I wasn't about that one. I just didn't really like how that one looked, but the machine also rode like shit. So I was out, but we got it solved now. I'm sure this one's a little bonus video for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
I want to help you. I want to help you get whatever you want.